Here at Max Adventure, we love seeing how happy our customers are, and our Max Moment competition is the perfect way to do this. We plaster the lovely photos people send in all over our website to show what a great time everyone's having. Like these guys, adventuring in Scotland. Seeing real people enjoying our trips makes it all worthwhile, and sometimes they're kind enough to tell us all about it too. Like Rocks and Waterfall from Edinburgh, who said they had a fantastic week away doing this walk, made really easy by Max Adventure. We're always friendly and super organised. And Rose from Maryland, who said, I felt connected to the Highlands in a way that you only can if you walk there. That's just so lovely for us to hear. Or there was Andrea from Oregon, walking in the Cotswolds, who said the entire trip is wonderful. The people, the place, the adventure itself. The incredible scenery, the pastoral settings, and the villages were beyond magical. And there are hundreds of other customers who agree. We are helping people make memories all over the world. From our trip in the Camino was a trip of a lifetime, thanks Erica and Walker, to the TMB will provide memories that last for a lifetime. A challenging but very rewarding hike with scenery that is out of this world. Glad we could be of help, Bill and Betsy. For us to see this all really melts our hearts, so thank you. We love doing this, and we're constantly searching for new places to visit all over the world so we can keep creating joy. So keep adventuring, keep sharing, and keep creating those amazing Max moments, and we'll keep sharing them with you.